Want to grow your YouTube channel in 2025? The game has changed, and so should your strategy. Whether you're just starting or stuck at 100 subs, this step-by-step guide will help you grow faster, smarter, and organically. Let's dive in. Niche is king in 2025. YouTube now favors clear content themes. If your channel is all over the place, you confuse both the algorithm and your audience. Pick one niche: gaming, AI tools, beauty, finance, or education. Stay consistent for at least 10 to 15 videos before you pivot. In 2025, creators who use AI tools are growing faster. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even ChatGPT to research keywords, trending topics, and viral video titles. Find long-tail keywords. Instead of fitness tips, go for 5-minute morning workouts for busy moms. YouTube Shorts are still the fastest way to get discovered in 2025. Post at least 3 to 4 shorts per week. Use trending sounds and hooks in the first 2 seconds. Pro tip: repurpose your long-form content into shorts using tools like OpusClip or CapCut. Consistency beats perfection. Upload at least 1 long video and 3 shorts weekly. Batch record your content if you're busy. Use a simple content calendar: Motivation Monday, Tutorial Thursday, Shorts Sunday. Click-through rate, CTR, is everything. Your title plus thumbnail must create curiosity. Use numbers, power words, or emotional triggers. Like, "I tried posting shorts every day for 30 days, here's what happened." Reply to comments, use community posts, and pin your top comment with links to related videos. Promote Smart Share on Reddit, Facebook groups, LinkedIn if it fits your niche. And never underestimate a good collaboration with another creator. If you're ready to grow in 2025, follow these steps and stay consistent. Drop a comment with your channel link so we can all support each other. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more growth tips on this channel.